It's me again. Look, I thought you would have been here by now. Where are you? New writing is really hard.
Hey.
Where have you been?
Working.
Till now? What happened?
Yeah, sorry, we had an emergency call out. Lamb got stuck in a barbed wire fence.
Who's we?
Me and Paddy.
Why didn't you phone me?
I tried, okay, there's no signal up there, sorry.
I was worried about you.
I know, I've been going through them. Sorry, okay?
Well, now that you are here...
What if Tracy wants
Tracy is at Nate's.
Look, babe, I'm really not in the mood, okay?
What is wrong?
I told you, I've had a very stressful day at work.
Okay. We've not had sex since we got back together.
Oh, I hadn't realised.
Millie is on a sleepover.
Since when?
Since I organised it this morning.
Oh.
It's taken a lot of planning, this, you know. This is for you. It's all for you. Come here. Make me happy. Hey? Like you used to.